Welcome back, everyone, to Sellers Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, we are talking about something simple but absolutely critical: the 2017 Ford Explorer jack points. If you don't lift your SUV the right way, you risk damaging the undercarriage, and trust me, you can turn that into a very expensive mistake. So let's break down exactly where to place your jack and jack stands, and I'll let you know what other years this works for. Let's jump in there, everyone. First, let's go ahead and cover why jack points matter. Jack points are reinforced sections of your vehicle's frame. They're designed to handle the pressure of lifting thousands of pounds. If you put your jack in the wrong spot, you can crush a rocker panel, even damage the suspension, and that is not good. For the front jack points on the 2017 Ford Explorer, your front jack points are right behind the front wheels. Look for the reinforced pinched welds along the frame rail. You'll see a notch that tells you where to place your jack or your jack stand. If you're using a hydraulic floor jack and want to lift the entire front end at once, the central jack point is the subframe cross member located in front of the engine oil jack stand placement. Once your Ford Explorer is up, always secure it with jack stands. Those stands go right under those reinforced pinch welds. Safety first, right? Never rely solely on just the jack when you're working underneath the vehicle. And if you're lifting only one side, make sure you use a wheel chock block as an extra safety measure as well. Now, for our rear jack points. Moving to the back, the rear jack points are located in front of the rear wheels on those same reinforced pinch welds. For lifting both rear wheels, you would usually use the rear differential as your central lift point. On this model, the 2017 Ford Explorer, the rear differential is blocked, and I would not risk damaging any of those components lifting both sides at once. So just lift from the sides only on the rear jack points and play it safe. What other years does this jack point work for? The jack points on the 2017 Ford Explorer are the same for models from 2011 all the way through 2019. That covers the entire fifth generation of the Ford Explorer. So whether you have a 2013, 2015, or 2018, the jack and the jack stand locations are exactly the same. And that's it, everyone. Now you know the exact 2017 Ford Explorer jack points. And this will also help you with any 2011 through 2019 Ford Explorer as well. If this video saved you time or money, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other DIY repair guides. Let's get you fixing cars and flipping them for profit without wasting time and cash at the shop. Thanks for watching Sellers Flipping Cars, everyone. Keep on wrenching, and I'll see you in the next one.